On today's body cam, we're checking out Eminem's ex-wife arrested again after alleged drunk crash.
Hello.
Hi.
Anybody hurt?
No.
Been drinking it all today? You're slurring really bad.
I did drink earlier, but not recently.
Okay. You keep your head completely straight. I just want you to follow the tip of my finger with your...
Yeah, it's sliding up. You're good.
Lower Drive and Royal Drive, female yelling, still getting further. Sounds like one is possibly intoxicated. Are anyone able to back?
What began as another late-night crash call quickly raised concern after multiple callers reported the driver appeared intoxicated. Officers responding to the scene soon discovered the driver was none other than Eminem's ex-wife, who had been arrested just 3 months earlier after another alleged drunk driving crash involving a hit-and-run.
Damn, only 90 days have passed? 3 months? And you already in a new situation?
Hello.
Hi.
Anybody hurt?
No.
What happened?
When I came around the corner, there was a truck coming high beam at me, and I tried to put my high beams on. It's a new car, and I couldn't see it, and I swerved out of the way of it, and I flipped the fucking her car.
Okay.
And that's all I can say is like,
Okay.
it was a fucking accident. This is the worst. In this new car, I don't know how to work it or the lights or anything.
Okay. Do you have registration or insurance?
Yeah.
I need your driver's license as well.
You want me to knock on their door?
I'll talk to them.
Okay. You need me for anything, or?
Did you see it happen? Or?
I heard it.
Okay.
I was standing in my garage and I heard it, and...
We should be all right.
Okay.
45 dispatch can copy 2 plates.
Registration.
David Yellow George 992, DYG 992. This one is blue. Break for the other.
Here's the registration. My insurance is like on my phone.
Okay.
It's all progressive.
Edward Lincoln Union 9355, ELU 9355. That one's black. Been drinking it all today? You're slurring really bad.
Am I what?
Have you been drinking it all today? You're slurring really bad.
I did drink earlier, but not recently.
Okay.
No.
Did you have a lot earlier?
No.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license? Thank you.
After noticing several signs of possible intoxication, including slurred speech, the driver admitted she had consumed a few drinks earlier in the night. Before beginning standardized field sobriety tests, the officer shut off his front-facing emergency lights to reduce distractions. These tests are designed to help officers determine whether a driver may be impaired by alcohol or drugs.
I gotta make sure you're sober enough to drive, okay? You turn and face me for me. So put your feet together just like this, put your hands down at your side. I know it's a little chilly out, but we'll try to go as quick as possible, okay? All right, don't look up at my light because it'll blind you, all right? Can you see the tip of my finger, okay? Okay. Keep your head completely straight. I just want you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Don't turn your head at all. Don't turn your head at all.
She is cooked. Deep fried. Man, baked rotisserie chicken, man. Oh, man. Woo! Listen, do you know why they actually ended up splitting? If you know why, let me know in the comment section, because I want to read it and see why they actually split, man. But Eminem looked like he dodged a bullet on this one, but I don't know their situation. You know, maybe you know. I don't.
Don't turn your head at all.
I'm not trying to.
Okay, just your eyes. Yeah, I do this a bunch of times, so just bear with me, okay?
She look like she ready to go to sleep.
Some of these questions aren't meant to insult your intelligence or anything like that, okay? It's a standard question that we have to ask. Do you know your ABCs? Okay, what I want you to do is keep your feet together and your hands at your side. I'm going to have you tilt your head back and close your eyes. I'm going to have you recite your ABCs starting on the letter A, stopping on the letter T. You understand?
Starting on the letter what? T?
Starting on A, stopping on T.
Alright. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T.
And that's what they look for right there. Are you going to say the actual letters, or are you going to say LMNOP? Like, what? Because as kids, we all sing it. We sing our ABCs. So a lot of times, you know, it's like muscle memory. It's like riding a bike. It's like LMNOP. Like, it's like LMNOP. You know what I'm saying? But LMNOP, like, yeah.
Okay, very good. Next one is a balance test. Okay, do you have any problems with your knees, ankles, legs, hips, anything like that? Okay, which leg? Well, I tell you what, we'll skip a balance test because I don't want you to hurt your knee or anything like that, okay? Michigan law requires that you submit to preliminary breath test on the request of a peace officer, okay? If you don't, 2 points on your license is civil infraction. Will you take the preliminary breath test for me? Okay. What I need you to do is take a really deep breath in, seal your lips around this tube, and blow really hard until I tell you to stop, okay? Just like you're blowing up a balloon, you understand? Okay, real deep breath in. Now blow. Harder, harder, harder. Perfect, thank you. Okay, do you know what legally intoxicated is in the state of Michigan?
0.08.
0.08. You're 0.20. You're almost 3 times the legal limit. Okay. For me, unfortunately, I have to place you under arrest. Okay. Go ahead and turn around for me. You put your hands behind your back. Okay, I'm not gonna treat you bad or anything like that. Okay, you made a mistake tonight. It sucks, but we got to get through it.
I don't know why she crying. Why you crying? You decided to have a bottle, you know, get lit and drive. Why cry now? You just did this, 90 days ago? Don't cry. This is on you, you know? This is what you want to do.
What's that? Not tonight. I gotta hold you until you're at least sober. Okay. Turn your hand this way. Let go of your fingers. There you go. Do you have anything in your pockets that's gonna stick me, poke me, anything like that? Okay. Is this just nail polish? Something?
Lip gloss.
Lip gloss. Okay. I'm just using the back of my hand on your pockets, okay? Mm-hmm. Got anything in your back pockets? No. Okay. In the inside pockets? Mm-hmm. Right, I'm going to put this in your car, okay? All right. Go over this way for me. Give me some light so you can see. I got you so you won't fall, all right? Do you know who your insurance carrier is on the car? Progressive? Okay.
Man, I want to know who filed for divorce. You know, these are things that I try to, you know, I wonder sometimes, right? Because, well, most of the time, the ladies are the ones that file for divorce or whatever. But, you know, after the separation and the split and everything, like, how is your life? You know, because on one end, Eminem is Eminem, you know, regardless. And until he gets, I mean, he's old now, but like until he old, you know what I mean? He'll always be able to generate money, you know, because it's Eminem, you know, where this lady, I don't even know who this lady is, you know, so is she part of the industry or what? Like, how does she generate money? You know, because you live a certain lifestyle when you're with Eminem, and then you guys split. And yeah, you might live a similar lifestyle for a couple of years because, you know, maybe child support and all that stuff. But once all that stuff ends and it's over, because that only lasts so long, once it's over, what are you doing with your life? You know? Because like I said, Eminem, he's still going to be able to do what he do. We just seen him a few years ago doing the Super Bowl, you know? So it's like her life, it seems like it just a downward spiral. Like you constantly hitting the bottle, like constantly you gotta keep hitting the bottle and driving. Like what's going on? And you keep getting into accidents, you keep running into trouble with the law. Like, so damn, that, you know, stuff like that is sad, you know. Meanwhile, I don't know how she living or whatever, but you know, Eminem, he in the big mansion. You know what I mean? You know, it's whatever. You know, they get divorced. She gets a big bag, gets some child support, whatever. But at the end of the day, Eminem is Eminem, man. You know, that's the only white boy that's black. You know, we gotta keep it 100. Eminem is, yeah, he always been, yeah. That's a white boy color wise, but he black, man. He's black. He was always, you always good at the barbecue, man. You know, yeah, that's Eminem. We all know. But he's always, he'll be able to make that money back. Whatever money he gives her, he'd always be able to make it back, right? Just like Tiger Woods, right? When Tiger Woods got caught up there and cheating and all that, and he got divorced from his wife and he had to pay her something crazy. It was like 300 million or something like that. It was something ridiculous, something crazy, you know, but that's Tiger Woods. He always gonna be able to make that back, you know? Now he's had his legal troubles and everything like that, but still, it's like you always able to make it back. Where the lady, unless she really got some motion or is intelligent enough to invest it and make the right moves, you know, that money gonna stop.
I'm gonna set this in your car though, okay?
After placing the suspect under arrest, officers began searching her vehicle. Let's take a look at what they discovered inside.
Yeah, see, like, look, she driving like a regular car. And no disrespect to whatever that is, a Kia or something like that. No disrespect to the Kia, but that's a regular car. You know, Eminem probably not driving a Kia. You know what I'm saying?
So odds are.
And she ain't even got a car wash.
I mean, at least last time I did the blood just because she started kind of dozing off in booking. Mm-hmm. So there could be others. Intoxicants?
Yeah, it doesn't increase or decrease anything though.
Well, that's true, but...
grab me your phone and her keys. Just the house keys.
There's phone?
Looks like she's got cruise lights over there. She says it's on her phone. But she has Progressive, I know that.
Honestly, I might have it from last time.
Okay.
Damn, she a regular.
Oh, that's just water. Never mind, not a beer.
Yeah. These aren't opened, but 6-pack of Crown.
Okay.
Nothing else in the front.
She just pled to yours a couple days ago.
Yeah, no contest.
Yep.
I mean, I don't know where it's at, but there's a cap to one of those Crown shooters. And
Look at that. Did you hear what that officer said? Yo, she just pled to yours the other day. Because they remember her from the last incident. He said, yeah, no contest. Crazy, man.
empty wrapper right there that it would have been fitting in.
Okay.
So I don't know where that is, but there's evidence that there was one open here.
Yeah. Okay.
So just something to know.
Sounds good.
You're going to get someone
While the primary
seriously
officer
hurt.
transported the suspect for booking, additional officers remained on scene gathering information from the victims and waiting for the involved vehicles to be towed. Once at the station, officers administered a certified chemical breath test, an evidential test used to accurately measure blood alcohol concentration for court purposes. This differs from the preliminary breath test given roadside, which is used only as a screening tool to help officers determine whether further testing or an arrest is appropriate. In Michigan, the legal blood alcohol limit is 0.08%. During the roadside investigation, the suspect registered a preliminary breath test result of 0.20% BAC. At booking, the certified evidential breath test later showed a result of 0.18% BAC. The suspect was initially booked for operating while intoxicated, second offense, after previously being arrested earlier this year in connection to another alleged drunk driving incident involving a hit and run. Court records show she later entered a no-contest plea in that case, meaning she accepted the court's punishment without formally admitting guilt. Sentencing in that prior case is currently scheduled for June 17, 2026. Due to this being classified as a second offense, OWI, officers confiscated the suspect's driver's license and license plate before issuing a temporary paper permit. She was then transported to the Macomb County Jail pending arraignment before later bonding out awaiting future court proceedings. However, after the case was reviewed by detectives, investigators discovered the suspect had another prior OWI conviction dating back to 2015. Because of the two prior offenses, prosecutors later enhanced the charge to operating while intoxicated third offense, a felony offense under Michigan law. Her next scheduled court hearing is set for May 28, 2026. With this being the second alleged drunk driving incident within just a few months, it raises concerns that she could be struggling with alcohol dependency.
Looking for answers, that's the